At noon Thursday at Sequoia Middle School in Redding, Housing First advocate Lloyd Pendleton will speak on how Utah implemented Housing First and reduced homelessness. His visit has been made possible through the Women's Fund of the Shasta Regional Community Foundation, Shasta Community Health Center, and the Record Searchlight.
Hi, I'm Denise Jorgenson, and I'm the chairperson for the Women's Fund of Redding. And we're bringing this forum on homelessness to the Redding area in conjunction with the Record Searchlight and the Shasta Community Health, in hopes to just bring some awareness about the subject and another option for our area to try to help these people get back into some housing, maybe get a job, or maybe get some health issues addressed. This topic is really important to us, as we have already sponsored a mental health forum with the Record Searchlight, and we want to continue the dialogue. We think that mental health forum was a catalyst to get the appropriate people in the community together in the same room and have them talk about what they're all doing to work towards addressing this situation. And it worked, and we got the people together, and this is another opportunity. It brings another idea to our community with the Housing First initiative, where you bring the first thing these people need is a place to live, not underneath a bridge.
Pendleton, the former director of the Utah Homeless Task Force, plans to share the success Utah had with the Housing First initiative.
How did the Housing First project in Salt Lake City come together? First of all, it was a statewide effort, not just Salt Lake City, although it did start in Salt Lake initially. But the numbers of a 91% reduction of chronic homeless is a statewide number since 2005 to 2015.
Salt Lake City started with a pilot program to see what would work and what wouldn't.
And 22 months later, all 17 were still housed, and we started with the most challenging, chronically homeless people we could find. So we became believers, case managers, executive directors, political leaders, state staff. We all knew that it could work, and so we became believers.
The first thing the Redding community should do to put a similar program in place to solve homelessness is identify the champions in the community who will advocate for the effort, Pendleton said.
I have observed, first of all, you need to have the champions identified who are willing to put forth the effort, have bought into the idea, and are willing to take the lead, and at a high enough level that they can influence the decisions on funding priorities, other resources that can come to the table. So champions really become key, and then also bringing people together to collaborate and to share a common vision, to work towards that so that it can be achieved. Because if you have siloing or different factions working on different agendas, then it just creates disharmony and you're not able to accomplish the goal that needs to be done.
Jean Germano, CEO of Shasta Health Center, is looking forward to the talk.
We're looking forward to what he might be able to share with us on strategies they've used that make sense for us here in Shasta County. So we're all ready, willing to open our hearts and our ears and our heads to what he has to say, and hopefully some of that will resonate in our community and we can make some real impact.
To attend the forum, visit womensfundredding.com.